Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys talkback double tap to activate problem solve setting. So friends, you have oppo mobile talkback double tap to activate problem setting. So friends, now let's see how to fix, how to solve oppo mobile talkback double tap to activate problem. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your oppo mobile you have talkback setting. Friends, you can see on your mobile you have this green line and you want to remove this green line. You want to fix talkback double tap to activate problem. So how to fix talkback double tap to activate problem? Use your two finger. You can use your oppo mobile screen. One finger friends, you cannot use your oppo mobile screen. Swipe here with two finger. If you use one finger you cannot swipe here. Use your two finger. Scroll down here. Open your phone setting, double tap continue. After double tap friends, tap here Wi-Fi setting. Use your two finger. Scroll down. Open your phone additional setting. Double tap continue. Open your phone accessibility setting. Double tap continue. Talkback setting. Double tap continue. Friends, right side click here. Double tap stop button. Double tap talkback stop. Now friends, you can use your mobile without double tap. One tap you can use back button, one tap you can use home button, one tap you can use your menu button. You double tap to activate problem is solved. One finger friends, you can swipe. Friends, again open your phone talkback setting page and turn on your talkback setting. After turning my phone talkback setting, how to use talkback setting friends, you can see how to use talkback setting. One tap double tap to back button, one tap double tap to home button page. One tap double tap you can check your recent tab. You can close your recent tab with two finger. Open your phone setting again, double tap continue. Open your phone's search option, double tap continue here. Friends, we will typing here talkback setting. So friends, you can fix talkback problem with shortcut setting. Tap on talkback setting, double tap continue. Talkback is on, one tap double tap. One tap double tap stop button, double tap talkback problem solved. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To have any doubt in talkback settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.